Traxxas brings you its latest all-new Slash Mustang, allowing Ford fans to join the no-prep drag racing scene in classic 80s style. Modeled after the notchback 5.0 Mustang Fox body, the latest Slash brings the full racing experience to drivers of all skill levels. But wait, should you buy it? Let's find out and watch before you buy in this episode of RCReviewed.com. Watch till the end as we count down the Traxxas Slash's top 9 super drag features that makes this the only dragster you will ever need to conquer the drag strip and take home the win. Watch out for a link in the video to win your free RC, only for our first 1,000 subscribers. RCReviewed.com. Watch before you buy. Let's get into the top 9 super drag features of the Traxxas Slash. Number 9. Classic style. No matter which body you choose, Slash is a stunner at the strip. The beautifully rendered 67 Chevy C10 pickup comes fully detailed with a molded bumper and grille with LED-ready light buckets at the front and rear. The Ford-licensed Mustang body is modeled after the notchback 5.0 Fox chassis with lighter weight and increased structural rigidity. The Slash's rich Pro Graphics paint shines with a deep gloss and light-catching good looks beneath the durable polycarbonate body. From the stand to the strip, the Chevy C10 and Fox Mustang bodies turns heads with their dramatic presence and classic style. Number 8. High-performance drag wing. Both the Chevy C10 and Fox Mustang bodies feature molded rear wings to keep the chassis planted at speed and bring home the win. The large Pro Street-style wing is a functional part of its drag prep design. The wing is injection molded for high durability and strength. At speed, the wing generates traction-enhancing downforce and reduces drag-inducing turbulence. Support our work. Like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell to know the latest and best RCs and upgrades first. Number 7. Drag-specific wheelie bar. The difference between advancing and going home early boils down to traction off the line. The extended length wheelie bar, with 5 fixed levels of adjustment, provides ultimate rigidity and aero-straight launches in any track conditions. 2 sizes of wheels are included with the Slash to further refine tuning. The wheelie bar's reinforced dual ladder frame provides maximum strength to get the best continuous stability under power and the win. Number 6. Drag-based chassis. The Slash is built on the proven low center of gravity chassis to hold the battery and electronics close to the pavement for track-hugging stability and handling precision. The low-slung chassis gives the Slash an aggressive, aero stance for peak drag racing performance, and the sleek modular design simplifies maintenance. The adjustable body posts slam the body low for smooth tracks or raise it for rougher surfaces. The Slash lets you set the perfect ride height to suit track conditions. The front body posts are fully adjustable, and adjustable rear body posts are available as an accessory. If a run goes wrong, the Slash can take the hit with its chassis-mounted front bumper. Firm foam pads the body, as the heavy-duty upper and lower bumper supports protect the front suspension. Watch till the end for a link to win your free RC, only for our first 1,000 subscribers. Number 5. Drag-tuned suspension. Ultra shocks are proven performers on Traxxas's hardest-hitting off-roaders. The Slash's Ultra shocks are strip-ready with stiffer springs, thicker silicone oil, and custom bump stops, optimized to provide smooth ride control and race-winning grip. For the best tuning, the suspension features rugged 4mm steel turnbuckles and make it easy to experiment with the Slash's camber and toe-in with no disassembly. Heavy-duty rod ends and captured large-diameter pivot balls assure race-ready durability with an included adjustment wrench. Number 4. Transmission and driveline. The Magnum 272R transmission on the Drag Slash is built for hard-hitting torque. The 272R features a blue anodized aluminum motor plate, all metal gears, an integrated input gear, top shaft, and a sealed silicone-filled 4-gear differential, tuned specifically for drag racing with 500K heavyweight diff fluid. The Pro Series Magnum 272R transmission is engineered for strength with its rugged, reinforced case. The case halves engaged precisely to seal out dirt and debris, and create a rigid structure to support the motor, suspension arms, and wheelie bar. The thick T6 aluminum motor plate resists flex and acts as a heatsink. The Drag Slash's fixed gear mesh stays perfectly set, launch after launch, even as high-powered drag launches try to force the gears apart. The rigid aluminum motor plate and fixed mesh insert provides motor movement for maximum reliability in precise gear mesh. The extreme duty drive shafts on the Drag Slash are fortified for hard launches and superior durability. The drive shafts are 20% larger than the standard Slash drive shafts for outrageous power handling. The larger diameter shafts offer the same articulation and suspension travel, but are rated for even more tire-shredding torque. Let us know in the comments which RCs and upgrades you're thinking about getting, and we'll review it so you can watch before you buy. Number 3. Extreme Drag Power System. The Valinian system is paired with optimized gearing to take advantage of the maximum torque output from the Valinian 3500 motor. The VXL 3S system delivers strong, reliable muscle to lay down the quickest passes, run after run. Not every drag race takes place on a smooth, prepared track. That's just part of the no-prep scene. The Drag Slash's waterproof electronics are ready to take on any backstreet grudge match, regardless of rain or water on the track. Number 2. TSM with Drag Race Mode. It's easy to drive like a pro with Traxxas Stability Management, or TSM. TSM makes racing more fun by allowing the driver to experience the fastest possible straight-line acceleration, with incredible stability and precise control. Adjust the level of TSM assistance from 100% down to 0 for racing classes when assistance is prohibited. Press a button on the TQI receiver to enable Traxxas's exclusive Drag Race Mode. When activated, Drag Race Mode disables TSM during acceleration to help you hone your racing skills. Once you cross the finish line, TSM dramatically improves braking performance and prevents spinouts. Number 1. Trans Brake. Think you're quick on the trigger? This is quicker. Hold the TQI transmitter's trans brake switch and set the throttle at the starting line. When the flag drops, release the switch for the quickest launch every time. On releasing of the throttle trigger when using the trans brake, the Valinian system instantly applies the throttle level you set for maximum punch and acceleration off the line. The trans brake allows unbeatable launch precision and lightning-fast reaction time. So now that you know the top 9 super drag features of the Traxxas Drag Slash, should you buy it? With its classic style, high-performance wing, extended wheelie bar, low CG chassis, tuned suspension, superior transmission and driveline, extreme power system, TSM with Drag Race Mode, and most importantly, its drag-specific trans brake, make the Traxxas Drag Slash the only dragster you will ever need to conquer the drag strip and take home the win. So if you haven't already, rush to get your Drag Slash today. If you've liked this video and would like to know the latest and best RCs and upgrades, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Visit rcreview.com/win to win your free RC, only for our first 1,000 subscribers. So now that you know the Traxxas Drag Slash's top 9 super drag features, click below to know about the latest Arrma Vendetta and its secret pinion that takes it to over 70+ miles per hour.